What's up, YouTube? You're working with Darren's Garage. I'm working over here on a 64 C10. It's been converted over to a four-wheel drive. Yes, I say C10 because it is a C10. They made very few K10s back in the day. So what my projects are with this truck is going to be doing some suspension mods. Used to be set up for a 72. It's still a 64 frame. LS swap LQ9. Going to be doing some rust repair on the floorboards. Going to be doing suspension mods, like I said. Going to be doing some shackle repairs, bushings. Going to be moving this motor forward a little bit. It's a little too far back. Body bushings, frame repairs, interior repairs. I have all the interior out of it. It's a pretty sweet truck. Setting on some 3/4 ton running gear. Nice 15,000 pound winch, be cool radiator. Like I said, the LQ9. It's only got a turbo 350 in it. I'm gonna be possibly putting a 4L80, MP205. Pretty sweet little project. Doing a lot of things, using parts from like off-road design, a little bit from DIY 4x, and a lot of stuff from LMC truck. No, I'm not sponsored by any of them, and probably not going to be any sponsoring from those guys, but anyways, that's where I got to get my stuff from. Yep, I don't know what else to say for it. But it's gonna be a pretty sweet little truck once it's done. It's also got a probably like a 76 step side bed on it. Fits up nice with the body lines, whatnot. Sweet truck. This is actually for a friend of mine. Yeah. Comment, subscribe. You can pay attention to me as I build this truck. Thanks for watching.